Today, I'm going to teach you a Cash App glitch that I know for a fact is absolutely going to make you rich. The method I'm going to be teaching you in today's video, I literally know hundreds of people right now that have gotten filthy rich by using it, so we're just going to get right into it. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is go to the description, same code, and start to replicate it for yourself. So what you could do is that you could get your own Cash App referral bonus. You could then sign out of Cash App right here, and then you could create another Cash App account just like I have right here. I have two different Cash App accounts. Let's go ahead and sign into the other one real quick. You could go ahead and get the invitation bonus just like this. If I went ahead and took my invitation bonus from this account and then put it on my other account, I would get a free $5 for doing literally nothing. I would get a free $10 for doing literally nothing. So when you guys go ahead and sign up with the link down below, you'll be able to get your first Cash App referral bonus and then go ahead and get yourself another Cash App account, which then you can start repeating the process over and over again to make yourself filthy rich mad fast. And a ton of people have also been using this method right here to go ahead and get themselves a bunch of free money. As you guys can see, I literally have hundreds of people right here that have gone ahead and signed up. So you would be missing out if you don't do the same. You have to make sure though that once you go ahead and sign up with the referral code, you do actually link a bank account or activate a cash card, as well as potentially deposit $5 into your account if it does not let you already. It's really easy to link a bank account to Cash App. You just go to the top right here, you go down to link banks, and you just select whichever bank that you would want. Now, just to wrap this video out, I'm going to teach you guys one more method that I know literally tons of different random people, does not matter the age, just like you, have been doing to get themselves filthy rich with Cash App. This method is called reverse swiping. And I'm going to be teaching you a version of reverse swiping that is completely legal and 100% legit. Basically, all that reverse swiping is that you make a purchase on something and then you charge back that purchase, and then you go ahead and keep that money as well as usually keep the thing. So let's say you extract, I don't know, $200 from your Cash App from a linked bank. And then you go ahead in that bank, charge that money back. They will then usually give that money back to you if you say, hey, I don't recognize this transaction, or hey, I didn't approve this transaction. And then you will not only have the money within your Cash App, but you will also have the money in your bank account. Thus, you just doubled your money. Worst thing that would happen is that Cash App would give you negative balance inside of your account, which then all you would have to do is just go ahead and deposit whatever money you got from the chargeback back, or just undo the transaction and they'll probably give you that money right back. What I will say is that there is a set of banks that I have not actually shown in this video. If you think Wells Fargo and Navy Fed is it, you're dumb. None of them work. That I would actually recommend that you guys use if you plan on using this method. If you want to learn what these are, make sure to go ahead and check out my secret Cash App glitch. I want to make sure that this method doesn't get burned out with these specific trade lines, and I'm usually going to go ahead and continuously update them. So if you guys want to get the banks that you can go ahead and charge back with that actually work, that will not instantly ban your Cash App account, because trust me, I've already done the research. I would highly recommend going ahead and checking out my Cash App glitch, which you can get for only $10. Plus, if you don't enjoy the glitch, you can get a refund, no questions asked. Just hit me up on an email. Do not charge back. I will fuck up your credit so bad that your grandkids will not be able to get a car loan. So just keep that in mind. Plus, on my method store, we are 5-star rated, and I have a bunch of other methods listed right here. I have a method on how to get completely free Apple products. I got another method on how to make literally $10,000 a week from reselling AirPods, and I have a fourth method on how to get free unlimited DoorDash for life. Plus, if you guys want to go ahead and check out how I make over $10,000 a week from YouTube, from completely automated passive channels, this is a secret I've seen literally nobody talk about. Make sure to check out Xavier.net, which will take you to my exclusive Unity course page, where right now for only about $10, you can learn exactly how I make over $10,000 a week from YouTube. Also, we are currently having an 80% sale, and you can only get it for about $10. So I don't think there's a good reason why you shouldn't go ahead and pick it up. We already have a couple glowing reviews. All of my students have been really enjoying it, so there isn't a good reason why you guys shouldn't get yourself involved today. Plus, if you guys enjoyed the method in this video and you want to learn more methods just like it, the ones that I can't show on YouTube, I got ones about credit. I got ones about how to get free cars with credit. I got ones about how to get free houses with credit. If you never want to learn how to pay rent again, I got a full course on that. If you want to get $200,000 no personal guarantee funding for completely free at no personal risk to you, I also show you that. Plus, we are currently having a free 7-day trial, and I'm only limiting it to about 100 slots. I also have a full guide to personal brand building, which you guys can then use to get literally anything you want for free. So make sure to go ahead and check that out, because I got a lot of cool stuff on the Patreon that you're not going to be able to find anywhere else. And with that all being said, guys, we have in fact at the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and like. And with that all being said, we are going to call it here for now. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day.